Hey guys, it's Nick, also known as Zippy Zombo. This is at my church. I brought my video camera so I can take some videos of some door closers. I'm trying to be kind of quiet because there's a stairwell down there and there's people down in other rooms and I don't know how much it echoes. So I'm just gonna have to be quiet. This first door closer here is actually leaked oil, and I'm sorry for the bad lighting, there's nothing there. Sorry. You can kind of see some oil right there, if I could actually see it. It's on that cover. And then, so this closer, it's a 1460, just like the one I have at home. That's all they have here, I think, except for in one place. Here it is. I'll show you, it's kind of broken. I have it adjusted all the way tight right now, because I was trying to work on it and I was rushed, so I didn't have time to get it back like I wanted it. So at first it goes really fast and then it slows down a lot. So here we go. Like that. Whenever it stopped like that, that was whenever it was actually reading what I told it to. So I'll do that again. Don't want to hit the wall too hard. And if I don't open it all the way up, it'll just go boom, it'll just slam. So it's really not in a great position, but this isn't a very high used door. So I don't think I'm gonna worry about replacing it. But I can hear it making the oil sounds and everything else. So it definitely needs to be fixed, but so that's that one. The rest of the closers I'm going to show you are not going to have much audio with them. Thanks. Here's the next closer. It's got a little bit better lighting. Here's another one right behind it. This is one of the closers that I installed. Here it is. Yes, it does hit on the door a little bit, but it's okay. Most of the time it latches. It's strange. Well, go figure, whenever I'm taking a video it won't latch, but this closer latches every single time there it goes. So, I didn't drill any of these holes, they were already drilled, but I did put the closer up. So here it is again. It goes slow so it's not loud when it latches. Eventually. This is so weird, it normally latches immediately. There it goes. Alright, on to the next one. The other door has to close first, that's all. Yes, you'll notice that one doesn't latch the door, but the other one does. Of course, whenever I'm taking the video, it doesn't latch, even though it latched 5 minutes ago. The only reason this one doesn't have a cover is because I was allowed to take the cover off of this one and put it on mine at home. So the one on mine at home is the cover from this one. So it's in a closet, so it's very little use. I gotta be quiet when I open it though. The hinge needs to be tightened on this one, that's why it scrapes at the end. You can see this closer has a loose body, a very loose body, worse than mine at home. See? It's really bad and it needs to be completely redone or the closer's going to rip off the door. I'm going to do this one, even though I remove all these mats. This one needs those top screws on the metal frame tightened. I can't open this all the way because there's something in my way, but anyway. I installed this one too, but the holes were already drilled. This one was the one that I was having a lot of problems with. See, you can see right there that if I push on that, it moves the whole thing. But this is a very, very unused door closer, so I don't care about that. But see, you can see that hole. So, it's on there. That's all I care about. This is the only different closer in the whole building. I'm not sure what the brand is of it. It's sideways, my bad. You got that. You got the UL listing. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually on a shoe for a LCN. You can see those two are for the holes. I have no idea what the deal is with this, as I didn't install it. This closer is on a size 1 spring tension, so it's really easy to push open. I mean, I can push right here and open the door, just like that. But as you can see, the closer doesn't cover much distance at the end of the closing cycle. But it always latches.